Knee articulation. The movements of the knee are very similar to our elbow, maybe just slightly more limited because of the greater load that they have to endure. So we have internal and external rotation, as well as flexion and extension. The rotational aspect of the knee is something that you may be unfamiliar with because typically this isn't something that people practice, but it's a great experience to feel. As you can see here, I'm rotating my knee. You can feel the different lines of tension as you move through extension, like so, of the knee. So I'm currently externally rotated at my knee, and so I'm feeling the stretch more so on the inside or medial line of my calf and hamstring. And then as I internally rotate, I feel it on the lateral side of my leg. I'm going nice and slow, paying close attention to the lines of tension, and not trying to pull too hard or too vigorously. As you can see right here, a common compensation is to move our spine in order to be able to go into further knee extension. This is a bad compensation, and one that you'll commonly see when people practice things such as a forward fold with their legs straight. They're primarily lengthening the tissues of their spine, over lengthening them. And so we're working with our hamstring here. And now you can see with a closer view, rotating at the knee only, femur does not move at all. And you can play with this motion a good bit and become familiar with it because, like I mentioned previously, this is something that most people are unfamiliar with. So with our hip in a fully flexed position like this, knee to the chest, as we extend our knee, the only tissues that are going to be lengthening are those of our hamstring. So this is important to develop an awareness of, like we do when we squat or hinge. We're feeling the true length of our hamstring and not bringing our spine with us as we lengthen. The hamstrings are the muscles primarily involved in holding our torsos out as we flex at the hips. So we're being gentle and intentional, paying attention to the lines of tension that we feel, appreciating the nuances of the stretch as we articulate our knee. Good luck.